health of your pigs is of paramount importance. You need to have a health plan for those pigs to keep them healthy. In a nutshell, a health plan is a written document that contains a clear method to both prevent diseases from entering your pig farm and to prevent those infections already being carried by some of your pigs from spreading and producing obvious or low-level signs of disease. Following a plan for health and, as a result, improving your pigs' welfare and their performance is formalized into three main sections. Prevention of disease in your pigs is key. This is what we need to do. We have to have a treatment plan within your overall pig health plan for all these common ailments. So you now have your pig health plan, and the pig health plan is likely to be divided into three sections: biosecurity, vaccination, and a treatment plan. And the treatment plan will specify those treatments which are advised by your veterinarian to use in the common conditions: scour, coughing, or any other form of disease that is known to occur in your pigs. Prevention of disease in your pigs is now important. You need to vaccinate your pigs. You need to vaccinate against erysipelas in the breeding pigs. You need to vaccinate against porcine parvovirus in your breeding gilts. And you need to vaccinate against wasting disease in your growing pigs. And that can be done by injection, by yourself after proper instruction from your veterinarian. Or the vet can do it him or herself, or an experienced person can do it for you. You need to keep an eye on your pigs, make sure they're healthy, and the common diseases usually involve breathing, coughing and sneezing, or the digestive works, and that usually means scour. So how do you go forward in treatment? You need to obviously get in touch with your veterinarian to see what the diagnosis is, because the diagnosis may be E. coli, it may be rotavirus, it may be enzootic pneumonia with the coughing and the bad breathing. So you do need help to determine a diagnosis so that the treatment is going to be successful. If you do get a sick pig, in most cases you need to segregate that pig, take him away from his mates so that any infections don't spread to his mates. And then you need to decide on the treatment. You need to be very hygienic with yourself and the pens. You need to clean the pens more often if you've got sick pigs. That's general management. And in addition to that, you will be treating your pig. You need to look at your pigs at least once a day. If you see signs of notifiable disease or suspect notifiable disease, you must actually inform your animal health office and your veterinarian as well. And the diseases that we need to be concerned about are foot and mouth disease, swine vesicular disease, African and classical swine fever, and others on the list that can be found on the website, in the Code of Welfare, and other sources, and from your veterinarian. It's a requirement for all pig farmers to have a welfare code, a current welfare code on the farm, and for any staff on the farm to have access to that welfare code, and also to have received instruction on the welfare code. And it's based on the 5 freedoms, and it's designed to attend to all aspects of pig health, from the point of view of things that we can and can't do to pigs, to the transport of pigs, to the marking of pigs, and all the other things that are crucial with regard to pig welfare. You need to control and prevent infestations of endoparasites and ectoparasites. That's worms and mange in pigs, roundworms in growing pigs, and other sorts of worms, including the roundworms, in your breeding stock, and sarcoptic mange, which makes your pigs itch. Those treatments for worms can be given quite easily in feed, and for the mange, that has to be an injectable product. For any injections, you need to be competent, and that competence can be gained from your vet or from experienced pig keepers. There may be that pig that is in need of casualty slaughter, and that has to be done by a veterinarian or by a licensed slaughterman in the first instance, and then could be done by you after due training. Your animal health plan requires regularly updating and evaluating, and such ongoing reference to your pig animal health plan will enable you to check whether you're obtaining the desired and achievable health, welfare, and performance levels. Eligible pig holdings in Wales can access funding for pig health plans through Mentamwch Cymru. Visit the website or contact the team today to find out more.